Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today is the official Nintendo Switch 2 launch. So I've just gone ahead and picked up my pre-order from my local store, and I've got the Mario Kart bundle with this Switch 2 carry case and this Switch 2 Pro controller. So let's start off with the console itself. Let's just bring it forward here so you can see, and just quickly open the box for you. The packaging looks really premium, as you would expect from Nintendo. Just going to slide this out. So you got the console, you got two Joy-Con controllers, you've got the Joy-Con holder, you've got the charger with the USB Type-C cable. You've got the 4K dock right here, the Mario Kart code, which I can't reveal obviously. You've got the manuals, a HDMI cable, and it's ultra certified high speed. And you've got the two attachments for the Joy-Con controllers, which will basically provide you with like a mouse control method. So here it is all unpacked and ready to go. You've got the Switch 2 itself with a kickstand on the back, which is really nice. You've got the Switch 2 dock to connect it to your TV, and this opens up to reveal the ports, to show the ports. So the ports are basically, you've got a USB Type-C, a HDMI port and an Ethernet port on the back there, and on the side you've got the two USB Type-A ports. On the console itself you've got the memory card port for your games. You've got your headphone jack there, you've got Type-C USB port, you've got your speakers there, you've got your volume control buttons here, you've got your power on and off here. Along the bottom you've got another Type-C port there, and then you've got your, obviously the ports that people have been talking about being flimsy, and I can see it has got a bit of give. My only worry is if that's going to break over time, but apart from that, I was imagining the actual unit to be far bigger than this. I don't know why, but this is a very good size compared to the old one. There we go, slot this in. I've actually got the old one here, so this is the old one. I say the old one. This is the Gen 1 version of the Switch. I did a size difference. This is a size difference. Quite substantially bigger. I'm not sure if I prefer the old style slide-in clip-in. Just feels more secure than the new ones. So I'm just going to move this all out of the way and show you the Pro controller too. USB Type-A to Type-C charging cable, and the controller is in here. Nice, comfortable feel. Nice feel to the buttons, the shoulder buttons. So finally we come to the case for the Switch 2. It also has a screen protector in here. There is a screen protector actually built in to the Switch 2. So I probably won't be using that. This is the case. Really nice, well designed, nice soft shell case. I like the little touches for the colours. You've got space to put all your game cartridges in there. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Space there for the cabling. Let me see how it fits. Fits nice and snug. Really nice. So here you can see a side-by-side comparison of the Switch 1 versus the Switch 2. You can see how large the Switch 2 screen is, and just whiz you through the interface a little bit. So let's just do a quick setup of the unit. Just doing a day one update. So right now it's asking me if I want to transfer data from the Switch 1 to Switch 2. No, for the time being I don't want to transfer any data. It's asking to add a user. So I'm going to add a user without signing in. I'm just going to choose Mario. So there is a limitation amount of characters you can put in for your username. So I'm missing the D out of my text sampled account name. That's fine. Just get the parental controls. No, don't have one. Setup's complete. Click the home button. So I just signed with my QR code, and hopefully this will sign me in now. And just linking my account now. Okay. So what I want to do now is add the game code for the Mario World Kart game. So I want to redeem my Mario Kart game, so I go here, click on redeem code, pop my code in. So I pop my code in and it's redeemed. Confirm. And that's it. We're there. I mean, the interface feels so much more smoother than the Switch one. So a lot of people have been talking about the welcome tour, which actually isn't free and costs money. So to get to that, we have to go to the eShop and then go to the welcome tour option. Welcome tour is here. And the welcome tour costs $7.99 to buy. So I'm going to go ahead and buy this reluctantly. This should have been free, in all honesty. So after a bit of an issue with my authenticating my credit card, I had to do it through my phone. because it wouldn't let me purchase directly through the Nintendo store on the actual Switch 2. I finally purchased the welcome tour for £7.99, which is a bit of a rip-off in all reality. Should have been free. But let's see how it looks. Oh, it's downloading. Of course it is. Along with Mario Kart World, which it's saying it's going to be another 12 hours. So I could be here all night. Let's see how long this will take. Let's download this first. Close that. So what I'm going to do to speed this process up a little bit, I am going to go and connect my dock up as an Ethernet port. So hopefully I can speed up the download process. So as you can see, I've got it plugged in to the Ethernet port. I've got the high speed HDMI cable in and the power cable in. So as you can see, it's a dramatic increase in the download speed. Once we plugged it into the Ethernet, there's only 5 minutes remaining for the Mario game. Really excited. So I hope you enjoyed the unboxing for the Switch 2. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to see more content like this, then please keep watching. Goodbye.